Let us continue with the problems of tension members. Let us take a simple problem. Determine the design tensile strength of the plate 130 mm by 12 mm with the holes for 16 mm diameter bolts as shown in the figure. The steel used is of Fe415 grade. The figure is given here. So the width is given, total width is equal to 130 mm, and the edge distances are given 35 mm. Then the thickness of the plate is 12 mm. Now coming to the solution, the diameter of the bolt is 16 mm and the plate size is 130 by 12 mm. So as you have already studied in previous video lectures that the strength of the plate is, or the tensile strength of the plate is always the least of the three values. First is yielding of gross section, which is given by TDG equal to AG into Fy divided by gamma m naught, which is given in clause number 6.2 IS 800-2007. Then the next one is rupture of a critical section. The formula is given by TDN equal to 0.9 AN into Fu divided by gamma M1 from clause 6.3.1, where you have to be very careful about fixing the net area AN equal to B minus N D naught plus summation of I from I equal to 1 PSI square divided by 4GI into T. So whenever you are going to take the staggered bolting system, then we have to take care of the last part of the formula for AN. Otherwise, the formula will reduce to B minus ND naught into T. The next one is the strength due to the block shear. In the block shear, there are two formula which is given in clause number 6.4 of IS 800-2007. The formula is TDB1 equal to AVG into Fy divided by root 3 into gamma m naught plus zero point 0.9 into ATN into Fu divided by gamma m1. I think all these things are already covered in the previous lectures. This is the formula, and here in this formula the AVG and yeah, the value of AVG is nothing but the minimum gross area in shear along the bolt line parallel to the external force, and ATN is nothing but minimum net area in tension from the bolt hole to the toe of the angle end bolt line perpendicular to the line of the force. Then Fu and Fy is nothing but ultimate and yield stress of the materials respectively. Another formula for TDB is equal to zero point 0.9 AVN into Fu divided by root 3 gamma m1 plus ATG into Fy divided by gamma m naught. Here AVN is nothing but the net or minimum net area in shear along the bolt line parallel to the external force, and ATG is nothing but minimum gross area in tension from the bolt hole to the toe angle and bolt line perpendicular to the line of force. Then Fu and Fy remain the same, ultimate and yield stress of the material. Now, first one, from the consideration of the yielding of gross section, we have the formula TDG equal to AG into Fy divided by gamma m naught. AG is the gross area is 130 into 12, area of the plate it is 1560 millimeter square. Fy is known, gamma m naught is equal to 1.1 from table 5. So TDG works out to be 354.545 kilonewton. This is one value of tension capacity of the plate. That is what asked in the problem, the design tensile strength. Then the second one, from the consideration of rupture of gross section. So here, when you consider the rupture of a critical section, the from the clause 6.3.1 IS 800-2007, we have the formula ADN equal to 0.9 AN Fu divided by gamma m1, and for AN we have the formula B minus N D naught into T. B is 130 here, and N is equal to 2. 2 is, or N is nothing but number of bolts in the critical section. They have given here, this is the critical section. Along the critical section we have two bolts, so N will take a value equal to 2, and 18 is the diameter of the hole. Diameter of the bolt is 16 plus 2, it gives you 18 as the bolt diameter into T. Upon substitution we get the value as 332.986 kilonewton. The third one is block shear strength. The, in this case of block shear strength, we have to calculate many areas. One is AVG, then I have to calculate AVN, the net sectional area, then I have to calculate ATG, and also I have to calculate the net area ATN. So here AVG equal to, see here it is very simple, 2 into 2 into 35 plus 60 into the thickness, 2 into 35 plus 60 into the thickness, that is 2280. Again, you can recall what is AVG. AVG is the minimum gross area of the shear along bolt line parallel to the external force. So the external force is acting here parallel to the external force. I have to calculate the area in this direction. So 35 plus 60 into 2. One here, another one here. So multiplied by 2 into the thickness. Now AVN is nothing but whatever you have same calculation, you have to subtract the bolt hole diameter. So here one bolt is this, and while coming to this, half of the bolt diameter I have to consider. So that is why I get here 1.5. 1.5. Otherwise, two bolt diameters, two bolt holes you have, minus 0.5. 2 minus 0.5, again it is 1.5 into 18 into 12 into 2, 1632 millimeter square. Then ATG is 60 into 12. ATG is nothing but minimum gross area in tension from the bolt hole to the toe of the angle, from the bolt hole to the toe of the angle, or from the end of the bolt line perpendicular to the line of the force. You have to remember it is perpendicular to the line of force. So this is the force here, this is the perpendicular direction. So 60 will come here, 60 into 12. Now ATN is 60 minus bolt hole diameter, 60 minus bolt hole diameter. Bolt hole diameter is 18, because how I am getting 18 is half of this 9 plus half of this 9. 9 plus 9, it is 18. So half of 18 is 9. 2 times I have, so it is totally 18. 60 minus 18 into 12, 504. Now the thing is, once you calculate AVG, AVN, then ATG, ATN, the calculation of block shear strength is remaining. So TDB equal to AVG into Fy divided by root 3 gamma m naught plus 0.9 ATN Fu divided by gamma m1. Let us substitute all the data and we get 447.953 kilonewton. In the same way, you can calculate TDB also. TDB, we have the formula 0.9 AVN Fu divided by root 3 gamma m1 plus ATG Fy divided by gamma m naught. No need to worry about how to remember this formula. These formula are available in class number 6.4 IS 800-2007. Further, we have already discussed this formula in the bolt design also. Design of bolted connection topic also we have discussed them. So upon substitution of the values, we get 441.781 kilonewton. So now totally four values I have. In the block shear I have two values, one is TDB1 and another one TDB2. Then another value I have for rupture along the critical section, that is TDN. Then one more value I have from the yielding of gross section, that is TDG. So out of these values, the strength of the plate is least of the all the values. So therefore block shear strength is nothing but the value out of these two, the smallest value 441.784, and design tensile strength of the plate is, out of all the four values, the least value is 332.986, which is nothing but from the consideration of rupture of the critical section, we get 332.986. In this way, very in simple manner we can solve few of the problems. In the same way, if you get some other plates also, you can solve the problem. Only here the change is that if you get a staggered bolt here instead of this type of bolting, then only you have to calculate the net area differently. You have to calculate the net area, and out of them you have to choose the maximum and you have to calculate. If you have any doubts, you can clarify. In the coming video lecture, we will